Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change payments method on Ledger. So to change your payments method on this app using your iPhone or iOS device, you actually don't do it inside the Ledger app itself. So you can change it through your Apple ID settings because Apple handles the billing. So actually guys, you will need to go through your device settings or your Apple settings, and here you will need to tap your Apple ID or your name at the top. So once you tap it, you will need to locate an option and tap on it. It says payments and shipping, third one. All right, so here guys, you will need to sign in if required. So you will need to use your Face ID or password, as you can see, and then just tap on add payments or add a payments method or select an existing one. So for example, this is the add payment section or page. Okay, so here you can add a new card like Visa, MasterCard, etc., and remove an old one if you already have. And also you can set a new default payment method. So it's important to know the Ledger subscription are built through the Apple App Store, not directly by Ledger. And any changes you make here will automatically apply to Ledger. And if your payment fails, Apple will retry using the updates or using the updated method before canceling the subscription. So let's say that you don't see the payments and shipping option. So it usually means you are signed into the wrong Apple ID or you have screen time restrictions enabled. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.